Today's Shifting Gears brought to you by LMC Truck.
Hey everybody, you know, a while back I ended up with a bandage on my hand and everybody was speculating what happened. Did I break my hand? Did I get stitches? Did we fake it for TV? Well, we didn't fake it, that's for sure. Basically what happened is that I was buffing a headlight ring and it was late at night, I wasn't wearing proper protection, I was tired, and I caught that back edge and it pulled out of my hand and it opened me up like a tuna fish can. It took 13 stitches to put me back together. And the fact that I have complete movement of my hand with no damage is absolutely miraculous. If you've ever wondered if God is real or if prayer makes a difference or if miracles really happen, it's kind of hard to argue with this. That is miraculous. Now the point here is that you need to be prepared. If this can happen to me, it can happen to you. So make sure you have your first aid kits ready. Make sure you have your phone numbers together on who to call in an emergency situation, and make sure you have a plan. It's kind of like this coronavirus thing. Don't worry about it. We're going to be fine. Keep the faith, keep yourself safe, and keep working on those cars.